is 118.
My name is Nilfarzana. My matric number is 1134.
My name is Hanis Aini and my matrix number is 1006. We are from BEE 1A.
Today we would like to show you how to use oscilloscope.
Number 1, connect the oscilloscope probe to channel 2. Number 2, switch on the analog oscilloscope. Number 3, adjust the waveform position so that it is centered on the reference line.
Number 4, set the volt per division control to 1 volt. Number 5, set the time per division control to 0.5 ms.
Number 6, connect the DCES probe to the circuit being tested. Number 7, finally, adjust the probe's tuning ring to slow down or stabilize the waveform.